Hello and good evening, and welcome to Let's Upgrade's Career and Placement Guidance session. Uh, Very warm welcome to all of you to Let's Upgrade's Essentials. I guess there are multiple batches here. So, I would like to know from all of you from where all you have joined from before we begin. So please let me know where all you've joined from and which batch do you belong to. Okay, by batch I mean which essentials batch do you belong to? Which essentials program have you completed with us for which you are attending this career and placement guidance session? So please let me know which batch and from where you are joining. So I want to know how much far we have spread people from which all areas are watching us. They watch us, they attend our programs. So please let me know in the chat. Yes, Ayushi is from Pune. Okay. Hi, Chandrakant. I'm good. How are you doing? Good evening, Raj. He's from Chennai. Zishan is from Patna. Vaibhav says he's from Delhi. Okay. Uh, Karthik is from Maharashtra. Okay. Vaibhav says he's from Java. Zishan is also from Java. All right, all right. From Gujarat, Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore, Mumbai, Nizamabad, Telangana, Nellore, Bihar, Kanpur, Patna. Hi Chandrakant, I'm good. How are you doing? Okay, Mumbai, Aurangabad, Bihar. Okay. Ara, Bihar, Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai. Hello, hello, Sahil. Hi, Uddhav. Hi, Anubhav. Hello, Vikas. Hello, Kajal. She's from Ayodhya. She says, okay. Delhi, Bangalore, Andhra Pradesh. Nice, nice, nice. So I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra. Okay. I'm tuning in today from Nagpur, Maharashtra. So, how is the weather at your place, guys? We had a yellow alert. We have it for 3 days, a yellow alert for 3 days in and around our city. So it's been like it was raining really, badly yesterday. Today, since afternoon, it is okay. But I want to know, I mean, is every one of you, I mean, the weather around you, is it all right? Is everyone safe and sound doing in your cities? Okay, Ravindra, हम भी इधर मजा में है. Okay, people have joined in from Lucknow, Tamil Nadu, Varanasi, Kadapa, also NCR region, Odisha. Okay, MP. Good evening, Ankit. Uh, Pradeep, I said I am from Nagpur in Maharashtra, right? Okay, Sahil says it's raining in Delhi. Vaibhav, pleasant weather where Vaibhav stays. It's raining. Okay. Chaitanya, I am really sorry. I don't understand which language you're speaking. Vikas, yes, you have to put in your attendance for today. Please select career session in today's link when it comes, okay, in today's form. Okay, heavy rains in UP. Rahul Kaganti is asking what will be taught today. So today we will be discussing how to prepare for your interviews, okay, and how to prepare for your placements. So I will be throwing some, an open forum wherein you will be asking me questions and I will be answering them. All right. So that is what we are going to do today. Uh, okay. Wonderful. Ujjain, Assam, MP. Uh, Kanpur, there was a red alert last week. I hope everyone is safe. Amazing. From Sri Lanka. Nice. From Latur. Nice. Good. So, welcome all of you. Okay. Welcome. And please be safe, everyone. Don't venture out unnecessarily. the weather is really bad at some places. So please be very careful. Take care of yourself and your families also. Study well, prepare well, and keep attending all the free essential classes programs that we're bringing for you. All right. So let's begin. So I will introduce myself for those of you who are meeting me for the first time. Okay. This is not what I sound usually. This is a different voice that is coming out. Since last week, I've not been doing well due to the weather. So this is a strange voice that is coming out. So yes, those who are meeting me for the first time, I am Sneha Faizpurkar. I am the head of placements at Let's Upgrade, and by profession at heart, I am a trainer, a communication skills trainer, a soft skills trainer, okay, a campus recruitment trainer, what you can call me. So I became a trainer because I saw that there was a high supply of candidates, eligible candidates for a job, but and the jobs were also available. I don't say that the jobs were less. Jobs were available, jobs are still available, but the thing is, whatever the jobs want, whatever the job givers are wanting, the job takers or the job the candidates, they don't have that. Okay, so again I will say there is a big difference in what is required and what is available. Okay, so what is required is probably here and what is available is probably here. So there's this big difference that we have to fill up. So I became a trainer to fill that gap. Okay, to fill that difference, to reduce that difference at least, if not fill completely. Okay, so to reduce that difference, I love to do it. I love training students on their communication skills, on their interview skills, on their resume building. Okay, group discussions used to happen earlier. I used to train for that as well. All right, and that's how this career came into being. So yes, let me just check the comments from the last where I stopped. Okay, okay. Sahil for cyber security. All right. Okay. Okay, I'll be announcing a few things right now. So Rajkumar, I've already told that I'm from Nagpur in Maharashtra. Okay. Anmol, thanks for asking. I am amazing. Okay. Chandrakant, thank you, but let us concentrate on why we are here. All right. Uh, I will come to your question, Anmol. Okay. Uh, yes. So, few things that I would like to clear. Okay, before we begin. So I am not a technical person. Okay, I am not a technical person. I'm not a technical subject matter expert. So if you have any questions related to your technical aspects, I would not prefer answering them because I am not the correct person. I am just too away from tech. Okay, and when it comes to programming or tech or anything of that sort, so I am not the correct person. So I will not be answering just because for the sake of answering. Okay, I don't want to misguide you. That is not how I work. Okay, so I'll be honest right at the start. I cannot answer any technical questions. Okay, that is one thing. Second, I will throw the forum open in a while. Okay, so you are free to ask your questions. I will be going through each and every question, but I can only do that if you don't spam the chat. Okay, if you have posted a question once, be assured, okay, rest assured that I will see it and I will answer it. Okay, you need not ask the question hundreds of times in the chat. What will happen in that case is that some important questions of others will be lost. Okay, and then you because the chat goes scrolls up very fast. All right, so it gets difficult if you keep on spamming the chat, repeating the same thing again and again. All right, so even if you post that question once, it's more than enough. Okay, I will see it, I will answer it. Okay, if I can answer it, I will definitely answer it. Otherwise, I'll inform what to do. Okay, so and the third thing is Please throw your questions related to your resume or related to your interviews open, okay, in the chat, and I will try answering all of them one by one. Okay, please remember not to spam the chat unnecessarily. Let us all of us take advantage of this free class that we have got. Okay, and I will try to help you to the best of my abilities, only if you don't spam the chat, and that becomes a disadvantage for all the other sincere people who are there. Okay, I will be simply ignoring your questions if you spam. All right, go ahead, please. Yes, so question was Anmol's first, how to get an internship in technology. Uh, there are a lot of websites, Anmol, available to apply for an internship. Okay, Internshala is one of them. There are many other websites also. Uh, you can also search for companies. You can directly get in touch with companies and ask them if they have any place for interns, if they are okay taking interns. All right. uh, Ajay, yes, I train offline. I used to train offline and online as well. Okay. Vikas, yes, we might have a few openings coming up in the coming week, so we will post it on all of our social media platforms. Okay, so let us see how it works. We are not sure yet if we want them or not, but something is going on. Let's see. Okay. Uh, Ravi Teja, yes, about participation certificates. So you will get an email about your virtual convocation date and when the virtual convocation takes place. During that virtual convocation, you will get an email with if you are eligible. Okay, if you are eligible for the participation certificate and the completion certificate, you will get an email with both of the certificate links. Okay, you will get a certificate then. We are coming up with a technology wherein you can download your own certificate on your Let's Upgrade account also. That will be announced soon. Okay, that happens only after your virtual convocation, but okay. Yes. Rajesh Saha, no, this is not the first class. In fact, this is the last class of different batches, um, essential programs. Okay. Mm, Ankit, no, Java class will not be there. Java is done. This is the last session of that series. Okay. Uh, Vinay, the same thing goes for you. Okay. Uh, Ajay, this is Let's Upgrade. Okay. So I teach all kinds of students, but right now, since this class session is of Let's Upgrade, let's talk about that. Okay. Ankit, today, so your Java Essentials is already over. Okay. This is the last day of your Java Essentials program. All of our essential program have a career and placement guidance session as the last session. Okay. Yes, Rahul, it's career session. So please mark your attendance for the career session only. All right. Yes. Uh, Ravi Teja, yes, if you don't submit your assignments, you will not get the completion certificate. Okay. Vaibhav, yes, that might be a problem, but not everywhere if it's a genuine problem. It also depends on what the profile requires. Okay, if the profile requires you to talk to a lot of clients, to talk to a lot of potential clients, then yes, stammering might be a problem. If it is a completely a job where it is not important to talk to people, talk to clients, then there might not be a problem, but it depends from an HR to HR or a company to company on their profile. Okay. Pradeep, yes, I don't know programming, but I don't think there are only programming trainers. Okay. I am a skill trainer, but my skills or the skills that I train in are not programming. I train people on some other skills. I mean, please let me know if there's a problem here. I don't get yours. I mean, was there a question in what you said? I don't know. Okay. All right. Mohit, again, to become a successful front end developer, uh, all of our JavaScript programs, please, build a responsive website. All our JavaScript programs, zero to hero, please enroll for all of those. That's all I can say right now. Uh, Gokul Kannan, it's not really important to build an attractive resume. Okay, your resume instead should be very crisp, very clean, and to the point. It should not look like an essay or a big exam answer sheet. All right, attractive resume is not something that people are looking for. They are looking for a good, decent, readable resume. Okay, that is soothing to the eyes and easy to read. Okay, easy to analyze. Uddha, okay, Chandrakant, thank you. We are continuing to, bring free classes for you. Uddhav, thank you for, complimenting my English language skills. So, how I will answer is because I have practiced. I keep on conversing with people in English. I have practiced since a very small age. With I used to speak to my parents in English. They used to make me compulsorily speak in English for a fixed time duration. I read a lot of books. Okay, I saw watched a lot of English TV series and movies. I read a lot of newspaper, and I tried and improved my vocabulary every day. I do this. I do it till this day also. Okay, so it's not something that I was born with. I worked for it. I tried to develop that skill. Okay, it was not a talent. It's not inborn. Okay, it is something that I have developed. So that is how you can also develop any kind of skill with practice, with determination, with regular practice. Okay. Yes, Rajesh. I think while answering Uddhav's question, I have answered the same. Your question also. Okay. Rajkumar, what is your question? I don't know. Naresh, about BCA and MCA, what do you want to ask? What about BCA? If you want to do it, please do it. Ankit, again, I have told you how to improve communication skill. Read something, speak to people. Now, we are not born with communication skills, okay? We acquire communication skills. We are not born with the ability to talk, okay? We learn how to talk. We learn how to speak our mother tongue. We learn how to speak in English or Hindi when we go to school, but our mother tongue might be different. We learn that in our house, okay, in our home, around our family, because we see them speaking the same thing. That's the reason we learn it so fast. So you have to make your environment like that, okay? Choose friends, ask your friends to practice with you, ask your friends to speak to you in English, okay? Read newspapers, read articles, watch English movies with subtitles, watch TV series with subtitles, because they speak very fast and in a different accent. So you can pause, you can rewind, and you can watch it again, right? Please understand what situation they're saying that dialogue in. What if there's a new word that you were not able to understand? Please see in what situation they have spoken. Was it an argument? What is a romantic? Was it a romantic situation? Was it a family meeting? Was it an official, a formal occasion in an office, on the street, in a restaurant? What was the situation? In what context was that sentence spoken? So try and understand all of that and imbibe them in your own daily conversation, right? Varun, see, your marks is okay, what you have told me. They are not too bad, okay? They are not even very exceptional that you might also accept. But see, now you have to decide, because me or anybody else telling you what you should be doing is not going to solve your problem. You should choose what you are interested in, so that that particular thing is not difficult for you. Okay, you find your passion, you do that particular thing so that things become easy. Okay, so that you find the will to do it every day for your life. Okay, a profession is not chosen because somebody else feels something. Okay, it's you have to choose it. You should be able to wake up every day 5 or 10 years from now and go to work and work every day. Okay, so that is how you have to choose what you want to do. No third person can tell you, or no second person can tell you. Okay, Varun Reddy, this was for you. Abhay, yes, of course you can apply for internships. Why not? Please apply. Please start applying. I mean, you should have started applying by now. Abhay Pratap Singh, if you have made that, congratulations on making that gym web page. Okay, amazing work. Nagesh, I've already told earlier that please search or run a simple Google search, run a Naukri search. You know, a simple Google search will also give you a lot of ideas on how to apply for internships. All right. You can also directly contact companies and ask them. Okay. Ayushi, amazing question. How to use LinkedIn effectively to get a job or internship? First of all, make your LinkedIn profile complete. Okay. Remove unnecessary stuff from your profile. All right. Use a good headline while you're making your LinkedIn profile. Use a good picture. Please don't. I mean, I don't say by good picture, I don't say that you have to be in formals or a tie and a coat and everything. No, not required at all. But at the same time, please don't post pictures from a vacation or something like that. A good decent picture will do. Okay. And then try and network with, first of all, find what kind of a profile you're looking for, what kind of a job do you actually want. Okay, and search for that particular profile name in the search box. Therein you will find a filter for jobs, people, groups, companies. So go for jobs, and there will be a list of all the profiles available or vacant for that. Okay, try and build connections with HRs, okay, who are hiring for that particular role. You will automatically start getting recommendations once you search for that profile for some time. Okay, and slowly try and build your network, and then the better network you have, the closer you are to your goal. Okay, on LinkedIn. I hope I have answered your question, Ayush. I really liked your question. Amazing. Internship for BCA, Naresh, I have already answered. Please contact companies. Please run a Google search where all internships are available. There are a lot of posts that company HRs put out. Okay, if not, you can directly contact the company, call them, ask them. They will be able to provide you. Yes, Amit, we are thinking of bringing game development courses. So stay tuned, and we will, once we have planned everything, once we are ready to be out with that course, we will definitely post it on our social media platforms. You may also get an email if you're registered with us. So just wait, watch this space, okay? Yes, HTML is essential for your Siddhant, for all of the basics. I believe HTML, CSS is something that there's no harm in doing. Your basics will be very, very clear. Okay, all your logics and basics will be clear. Uh, because I will check what happened with that session. Okay. Uh, I am not aware of what you're saying, so let me check. I will get it for you. Okay. Rajkumar, I have already started, right? I am answering questions. What is, I mean, I don't know. Problem kya hai? Mohit, again, front-end developer. Technical question. I'm not the correct person to answer. Okay. Amrendra, I don't have the names right now, and on YouTube also, I may not be able to say a lot of names. So please run a Google search, okay, and whatever profile you're working for, wanting for, and just add internship in front of it. And please run a Google search. You will find hundreds of results, and there will be different pages also, different platforms also. Please search for that. Okay. Career session, Sagar. This is the career session that is happening. Okay. As for the submitting of assignments, I will find out what happened. Okay. If your program ended uh, last week, then this is your career guidance session that is happening right now. Okay. Pradeep, best internship is the internship that you are interested in, that interests you, that benefits you, okay, and that you enjoy doing. Okay. Rajkumar, programming language. This is not the class for programming language. All right. So you have deleted your message. Okay. Anmol, I've made a resume. Can you check it how it is? I have some work experience related to categorization work. Should I mention it in my resume? You can mention it. Not a problem. Please do mention it. Okay. Not a problem at all. Internship again. Where is the best place? Wherever you want. Okay. That is the best place. I am not a judge of answering what is the best place, what is the best course. Okay. What is the best website? Abhay, please upload both. Okay. Uh, Naresh, I would really request you not to spam. Okay. I have already answered your question. So please don't spam the chat. Okay. Mahima, yes, of course you can. If you are a chemical engineer, you can still get into data analysis. Please uh, join any courses that are available for data science or data analytics. Uh, Jyotsna, please, can you, if you can pin the, post the link for our PGP data science program. So, Mahima, please refer to that. Okay. Uh, since you have to change your field totally, then I will suggest you, because you will have to take some training in that field. Okay. So, please do that. And it's not a big deal these days to change your field. Okay. Bala Murugan, totally up to you if you want to do MCA or MBA, whatever interests you. Okay. So it should not be forced. It should be completely your choice what you want to do, so that you enjoy doing it and not regret it later. Okay. Uh, I am not the person you should be asking this. You should be asking this to yourself. Okay. Jayashree, I've answered the certificate question. You can read in the chat also. Jyotsna has also answered that. Okay. Amrendra, I have answered that. Your question again about other platforms. Pratibha's question is, ma'am, will there be any more classes on HTML, CSS? Yes, 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 yes. Pratibha, more classes on HTML and CSS are coming. Okay. Uh, Darling, whoever you are, please, there are hundreds of courses available. Which language do you want to learn? Which framework do you want to work with? It all depends on that. So please first decide that and then choose which course to go for. Okay. Bharat Singh, okay, nervousness, all the best for your GD, first of all. And nervousness is not going to help you. So please don't be nervous. What is the worst thing that will happen is that you will not be selected, but you might be selected somewhere else. Okay. So please, please, please don't be nervous. You will ruin whatever you might be able to do good. Okay. So no tension, please. Okay. Anushka, again, try doing some short term courses. Okay, try doing some short term courses for web development to get into that, so that you find ample training and exposure for projects. Build projects as many as you can after taking your training. Okay. Devakar Raja, body language is extremely important for interview. Another question that I have liked a lot. Extremely important for interviews. Okay, it shows whether you're confident, whether you're nervous, whether you've already lost hope. Okay, your hand, the way you shake your hand, the way you enter the room. Okay, the way you maintain eye contact during the interview, the way you're sitting in that chair. Okay, whether you're sitting like a loser or you're sitting, attentively, the way you are answering, if you're staring into that person's eyes or you're maintaining good eye contact with everyone, or are you looking down nervously. Okay, so all of these things do matter. Okay, body language, very 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 important factor, anywhere, not just an interview, but yes, extremely important in an interview as well. Good question, Devakar, again, wonderful. Okay, and one second. I think I went too far. One second. Yes. After Polytechnic, Shanki is asking, after Polytechnic in computer science, what should I do? Find job or get internship? Totally up to you, Shanki Kumar. Whatever you want to do. If you want to go in for a full-time job, depends on what your priorities are right now. If you want to learn, gain exposure, or directly move in for a full-time job. So it depends on what your needs are. It depends on what your priorities are. Okay. It depends on what your age is, how much time you have, what your goals are, what you have set for yourself, what you have planned for yourself. It all depends on that. It does not depend on my opinion. Okay. Uddhav, up to you. What do you want to do after BSCIT? How should I be telling you what to do? Okay, so the mods have already pinned a link to the PGP full stack program. Okay, please fill out that form. Okay, please fill out that form. A PGP full stack program, which is 6 months long. We have it for Python. We have Python and Django. We have it for web development. We have it for data science. We have it for AIML and deep learning as well. Okay, so 4 PGP full stack programs we have. 6 months long, fully live. There is also a facility to watch it recorded. Okay, you get placement training free. Okay, you get free hackathon participation training. You get free data structures and algorithms training, free system design training, and free AWS training as well, along with this course that you enroll for. Okay, if you search for it outside, it is not, I mean, not less than a lakh rupees. Okay, but we are providing it like for just 29,600 rupees. Even more, even lesser than that, if you fill that form and ask for a discount when they call you. Okay, fill that form. When they call you, please ask for a discount. It will be even lesser than that. So not even 30,000 rupees you have to pay. You also have a EMI facility also. No cost EMI options are also there. But extremely, cheap for cost. Okay. But the syllabus is of a postgraduate level. All you people who are still doing graduation, you can still pursue that PGP full stack program. Okay. The level is of postgraduate. That's the reason it's called a postgraduate program. Okay. So for all of those of you who are asking for short-term courses, who have suggested for short-term courses, okay, you can get into that. Data analytics is also there. Web development is there. Okay, for data analytics, please go for the data science course. Web development, entire web development PGP program is there. Okay, Python and Django is there. For those of you who don't know which language to do, which software course to do, please fill out that form. Okay, the counseling team will call you. They will ask your doubts. Okay, they will answer your doubts if you have any. Okay, and then accordingly they will suggest the course that you have, I mean, that you must do. Okay, and please 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 ask for discounts also. Okay, I am the one telling you, please ask for discounts when they call. Okay, and at very reasonable prices. All right, so let's come back to the chat and the questions. Shanky, which course I should do? Again, depends on you. I have 4 courses for you which I just announced, so fill that form, and whichever you want to do, you can pursue that. Okay, for a very very minimal cost. Okay, Ankit, today there's no assignment question because it's not a Java class today or whatever, It's a career placement session, so there's no assignment today. Ketan, I have answered BCA students' questions a lot of times. Okay, please search, run a Google search, make Google your best friend. Yes, Anup, you definitely can get a job if you have skills in SDE but don't have a degree. Does not matter. Okay. Uh, People do get those jobs, but they have to be very highly skilled. Okay, you need to be able to prove that you are skilled. You need to be able to build, demonstrate, and answer their questions very, very effectively and confidently. Okay. रौनक अगेन डिप्लोमा आईटी के बाद क्या करना चाहिए तो मैंने आई हैव जस्ट टोल्ड यू अप्लाई फॉर द पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट प्रोग्राम ओके फिल इन दैट फॉर्म आप देखो आपको क्या पसंद आता है एंड जस्ट स्पीक टू देम दे विल टेल यू व्हाट टू डू ओके Pradeep, there is no internship link that I am going to send you. It is up to you to search. Okay, I cannot do that. I'm sorry, that's not in my capacity officially to send you links for internship or any jobs as of now. That facility is only available for our postgraduate, full stack program students. So we provide them complete placement training as well as LinkedIn training as well as interview skills and all of the placement guidance also. Okay, all the placement support that we can give by connecting them with companies and vacancies. So that is completely my job, which I do at LetsUpgrade. Shiv, yes, Java course is completed. Okay. Pawan, yes, we are very soon coming up with internships. Please watch out for our social media, pages wherein we will put whatever internship vacancies we have. Okay. Shanky, I have been answering your questions. Okay. So I answer in a sequence. So you need to be patient for me to come to your comment. Okay. So your question is not complete. How can a diploma student of computer science and there's nothing? So if you could complete that question, I will be happy to answer it. Balamurugan, course completion. For course completion certificate, you will have to submit all the assignments correctly and in within the time range also. Okay. Only then you can be eligible for the course completion certificate. App development, Pratibha, Pinky, I think we are coming up very soon. Please watch our handles and we will let you know. Okay. Okay. Okay, Ayushi, I was very happy answering your question. Thank you. Aryan, Android development, yes, we are coming up very soon. Okay. Shiv, the Java course was of 3 days, my dear. Okay, and the 4th day is the career and placement guidance session that is happening right now. Okay. We have 3 days essentials programs. Chandrakant, so if you go for the web development, PGP full stack web development, complete JavaScript, React, Vue, all of that is covered. Okay. So you can go for that. MongoDB and all of that is there. So please fill up the form for PGP full stack program and web development. Okay. रौनक आपका मन जो है आप कर सकते हो ओके fill up the forms, get into the any of the programs whichever interests you. Okay. Gokul, I'm not sure of PHP, dear. Okay. Pavan, we've already told you how to get the certificates. You need to submit assignments, you need to fill in your attendance. Nehant, Nikhil, yes, you can definitely add, okay, this certificate to your resume. Akshay, yes. So which technology to select for your career if you are confused? Try LetsUpgrade free has free courses, right? So try essential programs for different languages. Okay, they are there. Just try to decide which one interests you more. Okay, whether Python, whether JavaScript, whatever other courses are there. Okay, whichever you find interest in, you can go with that. Okay, go ahead with that. uh, Karthik, I am not sure. Okay, some companies do have say a criteria for 12th marks, okay, or graduation marks, but most companies these days they don't have it. Okay, they are only concerned with what you can perform, how you can perform, what you can make, what you can build, okay, and how you can become a benefit to the company. So, but it totally depends from company to company. Whichever company you're applying for, you need to check with them first. Okay. uh, Akshay, I've answered your question. Ronak, I have answered your question. What to do after diploma IT? Okay. Uh, yes. Suraj, please go for a cybersecurity course. Okay. We are coming up with one very soon. So watch this space. Okay. We are coming up with a course in cybersecurity. Changing of a career line is not a big deal these days. Okay. All you need is good training, good exposure, and good practice. Okay. So with that, you can easily, be able to switch to cybersecurity. Okay. Chris, we have answered the question already that you will be getting an email about a virtual convocation, and during that, the eligibility list will be out for certificates. Uh, Arshia, depends on which program you're enrolling for. Okay, then the timings differ for each of them. All right. Sudeep, thank you for the compliment, but totally not related to what our session is going on about. Okay. Anmol, you get hard copies only if you're eligible for the completion certificate. For participation, we don't ship hard copies. It's only a soft copy. Sonu, yes, website for this course. See, the links are already given. Okay. And you can obviously visit letsupgrade.in. All right. For more details about these courses. Okay. Sanket, I have answered question about cybersecurity that somebody has asked. Okay. Uh, Jatin, I'm sorry, I'm not a GRE trainer. This is not what we are doing here right now. Okay. Uh, Wonderful. So total fees Sono is comes to around 29,600. Okay. You can get additional discounts if you're filling the form that is given right now. Okay. In the chat. Uh, so it will be like for a fraction of the cost that is going on outside. Okay. So outside you will have to pay around 80,000, 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, 1.5 lakhs. There's no end to it. Okay. But we are giving you for less than 30,000 rupees. All right. Uh, Aditya, I work with Let's Upgrade. What a big news. What a question to ask. Amazing. Okay. Uh, Raja Vedya, learning AI engineering. Please go for, I'm not very aware of what to do in Surat, but you can go for online courses. You can go for online courses from anywhere in the country or outside also. Okay. Aline Shrestha, yes, of course. We have people joining in from USA also and a country from the African continent also. Okay. You can definitely join this course from Nepal. All right. Uh, okay. What are the next questions? Rahul, totally depends on you what you have to do after engineering. Boredom RB, it's not the only way to get a good job, competitive programming and open source. But yes, definitely, if you know this very well, you get an edge over everybody else. Okay. You are definitely preferred then. All right. Uh, Chris, please select career session. Okay. No, Rahul, you will not get a hard copy if you have not done your certificates. Sorry, assignments. Okay. Ayushi, yes, you can add all of the certified courses that you have done in your resume, most definitely. But if they are like too many, 10, 12, 15, so don't add all of those. Just select whichever are important or whichever ones are relevant to that particular job that you're applying for. Okay. So if you're applying for a different profile, so please select only those for that are relevant to that. Okay. If you apply for some other profile, then change it. Okay, whichever are relevant to that second profile, do that. Okay, so don't keep it same for everything. You need to tweak your profile for every job application or every vacancy that you are looking for. All right, you can add, but don't make it a very big list. Okay, they won't want to, then they're not going to prefer reading that. Okay. Okay, amazing. I think we have completed the questions. If there's anything else, let's answer that. Okay. Is there anything else? So last day of assignments has already been told. Okay. So, yep. Anything else? So I will again repeat, guys, go for the PGP full stack programs that we have. Okay. Again, I'll be telling you that they are available for a fraction of the cost for which they are available out there in the market. Okay, outside they're available for more than ₹1,00,000. Okay, we have it for less than 30,000 rupees. Even with that, we have an EMI option available for you all. Okay, please fill in the forms. Okay, I will also be putting out the links to the forms here. Okay, so for data science, please go for this. Okay, please go for this for data science. All right, then we have a web development link coming in here. Then comes the Python and Django link. Okay, and lastly comes the AIML and deep learning link. Okay, please fill out these forms. Okay, apply for the courses here. Okay, and ask for discounts. I mean, hug say ask for discounts like it's your right. Okay, and that's all. Let us meet in the PGP programs. I hope to see most of you there. Okay. Today, Satish, there's no assignment today. I don't know, Aline, what you're asking about dissertation project. Uh, I don't know. I mean, to depend, please ask your guide or whoever is there. Okay, for your dissertation project, please select something that is relevant to the current real world. Okay. Jay Sundran, you will get your soft copy certificate very soon in your profile only. Okay, you will be sent an email about that. All right. I am not, Rahul answering non-IT courses right now. Okay. PGP program starts in the coming month, Gokul. So as soon as possible, by the end of this month also, we may start a new batch as the seats are filling up very soon. So please fill up the form and you can also choose a date when you want to start. Okay, if you want to start this month or next month. All right. So that's all for today then. I think we should be ending this here. A lot of questions have been answered today. Please let me know if this has been helpful for you. Okay. Please let me know if this has been helpful for you. Please don't forget to fill in your attendance form. All right. So let me know in the chat if this session was of any benefit to you or not. Okay. So yes, come on in the chat, guys, quick, and then we can all go back to whatever we were doing, or some of us may go to have dinner. Some of us may have to go to gym or workout or even sleep or study more than that. Okay. So thanks, Shruti. Thank you so much. Thanks, Pratibha. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Thanks, Gokul. Thank you. Chalo. That's all. That's all. Thank you, Rahul. Thanks. All right, guys. Good night, everyone. Bye bye.